guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back all my amazing subscribers. I was slightly taking away the brightness of this camera, not be here. Welcome back everyone, welcome back. So welcome to another vlog. I suppose I have started these vlogs this morning, no? Now the day is gone, so it's going to carry over to another day. Okay, so I don't know how many days this vlog is going to be, but welcome back to the channel. Okay, and it's a vlog. As I say, I don't post every day anymore for a lot of reasons, but I will still try and continue my daily vlog. Okay guys, so let's just dive right into this vlog. It's going to be different things. Maybe it's going to be like 2 or 3 days, I don't even know, but let's just dive right into it. Please do enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to give you the thumbs up. Okay guys, so I'm still sitting in the same spot. I have this broken hairband. I just need to tie my hair. Okay, I'm still sitting in the same spot in my room, in my bed. Okay, so in my last video, which is a video I'm trying to edit today, I was supposed to post a video today, but I couldn't edit it because I'm not feeling so very okay. I'm so tired. Seriously, my body's aching. I even want to take some painkillers. Okay, so guys, yeah, so in this video I'm about to edit. See my laptop. See, I'm about to edit the video, and I'm just praying that God give me strength to edit this video. Okay, so this video is about me when I was going to the hospital. Okay, because of palpitation and other things. Well, palpitation mainly. All right, and I went to do a blood test. So that's the 2 things: palpitation and blood test. So I think in the video I told you guys how long I've been having palpitation for. Okay, so I just want to quickly do a little bit of update of my blood test. Okay, so my blood test results shows that I'm very anemic, which I kind of know anyway, because I can feel where I feel sometimes, and dizziness. I don't have a headache, which the doctor is surprised. She was always asking me, don't you have a headache? Don't you have a headache? Nope, I don't have any headache. Just sometimes, occasionally, very mild headache, and it will just last for a few minutes. It's off, no headache at all. But I kind of knew that I was anemic somehow, you know. So she said, you are very anemic, you know. So I don't know, if you don't know what anemic is, you can Google it. It's mainly like iron deficiency, low blood count, something like that. You know, your body, Nigerian people will say you don't have blood for body. Nigerian people will say you don't have blood for body. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I know sometimes when you look at people and they have weight, they have body, people always think that this one they get plenty blood for body. Nah, lie, it's not be true. You know, that's my body station. I've always been chubby from childhood. It's not like something some people would think and see me. I think I had weight as an adult. No, my weight is from childhood, right from small. You know, even when I was in Nigeria, I wasn't a skinny teen child. No, I was not that kind of child. I was a child that has body. You know, so yeah, so they've given me some medication which I'm taking. Okay, although I don't take it every day. It's not an everyday medication, and I have to take it with vitamin C. And then also my palpitation has subsided. Okay, but sometimes it still do me. As I'm talking to you today, I'm still feeling it, but just a bit. But it will disappear. So the doctor is like, when you're anemic, you have a chance as well of having palpitation. Okay, so because when you're anemic, it can cause palpitation as well. But anyway, I've been referred to cardiologist. Okay, so I don't know, that appointment, maybe I might take you guys along with me when I'm going as well, and I'll tell you guys the result of my ECG. They've already told me it was fine. It's just palpitation I'm having, which of course they say you can live with, you know. But they just want to do a more thorough heart check and everything, so they can give you a proper diagnosis. You know, they know it's palpitation, but they have to diagnose you first. They can't, if they want to give you any medication for it, they can't even give you until you are diagnosed. You know, so they've sent me to the cardio diagnose. Is it Virage or Viage, something like that they call it. Anyway, so that place I think is for diagnosis, where they do all the tests about your heart, everything. Then they will tell you what is the heart is saying and all that, and they give you a diagnosis. Anyway, just a quick update so that when you guys watch this video, which I'm still trying to edit, I haven't even started, okay, then just an update following that video. Okay guys, so anyway, that's the update for now. I'll try my best, and because I'm working night, you know, working nights also is not good for your health a lot, because I also told the doctor that I work nights, and she's like, wow, you work night, that means you're not sleeping very well as well. Okay, but anyway, that is that, and I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is like days later. Okay, you want to be in my video? You are going to be on YouTube.
I think the boss is here.
No, that's not the one we want. So she doesn't want to be on my video, but Precious is sitting down there. Precious is there somewhere. She doesn't mind. Block her ears out. So guys, we are going out to Westminster, to be precise. Okay, so I'm just taking her out to Westminster before she goes to go and see the Parliament House, Big Ben, Thames River and all that. Hopefully the horse parade is still on, the horse guard. Hopefully they are still there. So we are just waiting for the bus so that we can go and get another bus. Hey guys, I'll catch you guys later, okay? Okay guys, we are in Westminster, Big Ben. Yeah, Westminster, Big Ben. Thames music, oh, voila. I want to show you the. Make I show you. There's the water.
I can't take pictures.
You can take picture here. You can take picture, but let's come closer. Let's go closer. Let's go, come, let's go closer. There, London Eye. Okay. You go see a bit closer there.
What are they doing there?
You go enter. They right, they pay. But me, I don't fear enter.
I can't enter. It's a very big water.
And I would see massive, oh, it's big, long passes, so there. So if you want to take picture, let's stay here. Even me, I don't fear water. I want me this background show. It's on both sides, but we are on one side. That side is Tower Bridge. If I'm not mistaken, either this side or this side, one of them is Tower Bridge.
Are they passing on me?
Yeah, so they see the bus they pass. The Tower Bridge opens. I think that is Tower Bridge. I don't have any page. Looks like Tower Bridge.
Red color.
The bus is passing now. You don't see the bus.
On this water?
No. There's a bridge like this over there.
Yes.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got it.
You're still there now.
When you get close to it, you won't see it fully anymore like this. That is our famous Big Ben. That's Big Ben. So guys, we are in Westminster.
No, we are not down.
The weather is getting darker. Look at the amount of crowd in this area. And the River Thames. Okay, guys. We are in the Abbey. I can't even see myself very well.
I can see you clearly.
We are in the Abbey. So we are going to walk down. We are going to walk down to the horse guard. Okay, guys. So we are still in Parliament Square. We are walking down to the horse parade, right? Or horse guard. Okay. So we are done here. My darling daughter, please take the camera like this, eh? Let me do a thumbnail. I want to stand there. Don't stop the video. Precious is like, just leave me alone. Okay, she fought for women. Okay, I see. And that one, I'm sure that's that Indian man.
The last one there.
That man. Ganji, is it Ganji they call him? This person. I don't know who that person is. Okay, her name is Emily. Millicent. Okay. She get a proper picture there. A proper picture there. She fought for women, something. Okay. Wow. Let's see the other one. I don't know who this person be. Is that a king? Memorial statue. Gandhi. Her name is Gandhi. Can you see the building very well from here?
Yes.
So this one is Gandhi.
They were buried here.
No, they are just a memorial. This one are from India now. That's Gandhi. Everybody taking picture. Can you see the picture? Like what I was doing myself. The best way to take picture. I'm not gonna know that person be something back home, one thing. His name is not very clear.
Bacon. Sweet, beautiful.
I don't think I know that person. I've never seen that person. Phone booth. Let me take a picture on the phone booth. If there's nobody there. We can take a picture here. Stay there, man, take a picture. Minister, I told you now we are Westminster Parliament. This is Parliament Street, Parliament Square. All this area. We are almost close to the horse parade or horse guard. I hope they are still there, Sha. If they haven't gone on break. They are normally there, but they change.
Okay.
The security code is changed. Women of World War World War II. Yeah. Women of World War II. All this beautiful garden. Precious, we are in here. Are you coming? You just say what I walk out this garden. Go visit go. We go see if we go there. No, we are not going. We just stop here. Look at these beautiful flowers. Very pretty. Wow. Look at that. These people can plant flower, not be here. Let's just walk around this garden and guys, look at the beautiful garden. I don't even know what this garden is even called. But Buckingham Palace is 11 minutes from here. In the waterfall. There's a waterfall somewhere there. It's a massive garden. See how beautiful it is. This one are really sightseeing. Now sightseeing we did today. It's a pretty, very pretty. Wow. There's a waterfall where those green trees are. Okay, that place is like a restaurant or something. Or maybe people are going there for something, I don't know. If that place is a restaurant, the food will be extremely overpriced.
Inside the Buckingham Palace. See, this is another river.
It's a river. And it has a waterfall somewhere in there.
Hey, see this crocodile.
Oh, that's squirrel. Squirrel.
For our place.
That's what Daddy said one time.
Jesus Christ.
It's a pond. Okay guys, we decided to turn back. The walk is too much because we are still going to go down to Trafalgar Square. So we are in this beautiful garden, but Buckingham Palace is our back. So yeah, we're going back because the time is going. It's almost 6 o'clock. So we are heading back. Okay guys, beautiful view, right? Look at those beautiful flowers. Very pretty. Pretty flowers. Okay guys, so we are home now from Buckingham Palace. From Westminster, Trafalgar Square, everywhere. We are back home now. I want to eat my food. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Okay, please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, and don't forget to comment. All right, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.